Alrighty guys, I'm in the kitchen today. So today I'll be making hamburger. So I just put garlic powder, pepper, parsley, cilantro, salt. And then I'll be putting some Italian herbs in here after. I'm just gonna mix a zucchini lasagna. So I got some zucchini here from Costco's. Where did I put it? Here it is, guys. So that's what I wanted to eat. But I'm gonna put this in my lasagna. I'm not gonna cut it fancy. I'm just gonna cut it in slices like that. So yeah, stay tuned for that. That's what I'm doing tonight. So it'll be a keto lasagna. I'm actually doing well with my keto. My doctor said I started off, I just talked to her today, she said I started off at almost 190, so 189, around there. I thought it was 185, but it was more than that. And then I'm down to 177. So it's good. I cut out a lot of snacking, that's for sure. I'm just gonna put some tomato sauce in there when it's done brown. So for my lasagna, I am just applying the zucchini like this, and I am just cutting it in slices. Nothing too fancy. It's only gonna go in one stomach, so I'm gonna make one layer there. A layer. I'm gonna put cheese first. Okay, then I'm putting a layer of meat. So there you go. And then I'm gonna put more zucchini, cheese, meat, cheese. Okay, there it is, waiting to go into the oven. I just gonna put it on 350 and let it cook in there. So we'll be back to check it out in a second. Let's see what's going on here. Okay, I think I would like it to maybe cook a little bit more. I don't want the zucchini to be too soft, but I don't want it to be too hard either. Let's see what it is. Yeah, just a little bit more. So I got it in there. It's gonna be about 25 minutes because it's only on 350. Alrighty guys, this looks so delicious. Look at that. It looks really delicious. So I'm gonna go and scoop some on my plate. I know it's gonna be a messy one, but we're gonna go and eat right now. Alrighty guys, that's what's going on right now. It's okay because it's a similar thing to lasagna. I wanted to eat that and it's still looking good. I didn't put no extra other cheeses in there. I just used the Mexican cheese. Alrighty guys, I hope you enjoyed this. I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy my dinner now.